Hey everyone, welcome back to Cybernet. If you're using pfSense, one of the most powerful features you'll come across is VPN. But here's the big question. Which VPN is the best for pfSense? Should you use OpenVPN, IPsec, WireGuard, or maybe connect pfSense to a commercial VPN like NordVPN or ProtonVPN? In this video, I'll break it all down, compare the options, and help you decide which one is best for your setup. Let's get started.
Before we compare, let's quickly understand why VPNs are important in pfSense. A VPN, or virtual private network, creates an encrypted tunnel for your traffic. With pfSense, you can securely connect to your home or office from anywhere, link two locations together with site-to-site VPN, encrypt your entire network through a commercial VPN provider for privacy. So the VPN you choose really depends on what you want to achieve. Let's start with the most popular option, OpenVPN. OpenVPN is flexible, reliable, and well-documented in pfSense. It's perfect for remote access VPNs, where individual users, like you, your employees, or family, connect to your pfSense firewall from anywhere. Pros: easy to set up in pfSense, works on almost all devices, good security. Cons: can be a little slower than WireGuard, especially on older hardware. If you're just starting out, OpenVPN is usually the go-to. Next, IPsec VPN. IPsec has been around for a long time and is commonly used for site-to-site connections. For example, if you have two offices or a home and office, IPsec is a strong choice to connect both networks together securely. Pros: very secure, widely supported by enterprise equipment, great for business use. Cons: a little more complex to configure, and not always as flexible for remote workers compared to OpenVPN. If you're linking two pfSense firewalls or connecting to a third-party firewall, IPsec might be the best choice. Now, let's talk about WireGuard, the new kid on the block. WireGuard is lightweight, modern, and often much faster than OpenVPN or IPsec. Setup is simpler, and performance is excellent even on low-power devices. Pros: high speed, simple configuration, great for both remote access and site-to-site. Cons: still relatively new, not as mature in enterprise environments, and not every device supports it natively. But if speed and simplicity are your top priorities, WireGuard is definitely worth looking at. Finally, commercial VPN providers like NordVPN, ProtonVPN, or Mulvad. With pfSense, you can configure the firewall to route all your network traffic through one of these providers. That means every device in your home or office is automatically protected and anonymized, without needing to install VPN software on each device. Pros: simple way to encrypt everything and hide your IP. Great for privacy and bypassing geo-restrictions. Cons: you're trusting a third party with your traffic, and sometimes it can reduce speed. This option is perfect for home users who want privacy and convenience. So, which VPN is best for pfSense? The truth is, it depends on your use case. For remote access to your home or office, OpenVPN or WireGuard. For site-to-site connections between offices, IPsec or WireGuard. For privacy and encrypting all devices, a commercial VPN provider. There isn't one single winner, but pfSense gives you the power to choose the right tool for the job. Thanks for watching. Now you know the strengths of each VPN type in pfSense. In the next video, I'll show you step-by-step how to set up OpenVPN on pfSense so you can start building your own secure remote access VPN. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next video in this VPN series. This is Sakin from Cybernet, and I'll see you in the next one.